Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create tabs in WordPress without using a plugin, so you can organize your content neatly and make it easier for visitors to navigate. Tabs are great for splitting content that would otherwise take up a full page or post. They make your pages more user-friendly, especially for visitors with shorter attention spans. And keep users engaged longer. If you're using a page builder, you already have a built-in option for tabs. For example, Elementor, even the free version, includes a tabs module. All you have to do is add the tabs element to your page, then edit the tab titles, add content, and customize the style to fit your design. For those using WP Bakery Page Builder, tabs are also included. When you add a tabs module, the tabs start empty. You can then insert text areas, images, icons, or other page elements inside each tab. This gives you full flexibility to design the content while still using the theme's styling options. Even without a plugin, these page builders make it easy to add interactive tabs without touching code. Simply drag the module into your page, customize each tab, and save your work, and that's it. You now know how to create functional and stylish tabs in WordPress without plugins. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more step-by-step WordPress tutorials and tips.